Hi, welcome to another episode of CobblerNCoals. I'm your host, Mr. Tim. Today you may notice a few differences in recognition of World Scout Scarf Day. Since I'm recording on that Saturday, I thought that I would wear a scarf that means a lot to me. This is my Gilwell scarf from earning my Wood Badge Beats, and I wanted to be a part of the movement today, so this is my scarf. Today's recipe was inspired by something I saw from Steve and Linda Cook. If you haven't had a chance to check out their page and their website, it's a great thing. They do instructional demonstrations on how to cook using Dutch ovens in the Wisconsin area. I highly recommend taking a look. I will tag them in the comment section of this post. So we are making an inspired dish from them. It's an upside down banana pancake, but a little bit of a twist. I'm going towards Bananas Foster look. So first thing we want to do is we want to get that caramelized brown sugar butter going. Got the butter heating up, and we're going to toss in a little bit of brown sugar with a little bit of a trick that I'm going with. It's imitation rum extract. While that gets going, we're going to go in with our dry ingredients. This is the same base we've used for other pancake recipes. It has the flour, sugar, baking powder, a little pinch of salt. And then to that we're going to add our wet ingredients. We have milk, oil, eggs, and a little bit of vanilla. Sorry about that. That would make a totally different kind of pancake. We're going to get this just mixed to combine. Once we get that done, you want to set that aside and give it a chance to start hydrating all of the flour. Now these might be a little underripe for baking bread, but these are perfect for these pancakes. Just want to cut them into nice thick coins, because we're going to line the bottom of a prepared Dutch oven with already layered with parchment paper and a light spray of baking cooking spray. And we're going to carefully pour this brown sugar buttery mixture over the top. And now we're going to carefully pour the pancake batter in. And for this bake, we're going with only 5 coals on the bottom and 14 to 15 on top. We don't want too much heat coming from the bottom. We already have a caramel on the bottom with the bananas. We want as much heat coming from the top down, and so we're going with 5 and 15. Place this on top and hope I don't make a mess. Now here's where that baking spray comes into play. You see it releasing so easily. With that, we have what I like to call the Bananas Foster Upside Down Pancake. Inspired by a recipe from Steve and Linda Cook. Thank you very much. It's got that imitation rum extract. We don't want to go with anything too severely alcoholic for a Scout-themed breakfast. And I think I've waited long enough. I'm going to do my best not to burn my mouth, but I want to give this a shot. That is pure magic. The bananas, because we didn't go too ripe with the bananas, they still have some texture. They're not too mushy. The caramel is just seeping into that pancake. The pancake is light and fluffy. We know we've got success with the pancake. I highly recommend this one. If you like bananas, this is a winner. Thank you very much for watching the episode. If you stuck around this long, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe or follow, whichever platform you're on. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. As always, I'll catch you around the next campfire.